This video will show you how to change the key lock cylinder on a builder's vinyl patio door. First, remove the exterior handle set. See our video on handle set removal for details. Remove the 2 screws on the back side of the exterior handle set to remove the cylinder and cover. Now, take out the old cylinder from the cover and replace it with the new one. Finally, reinstall the 2 screws on the back of the handle and reinstall the handle set. For additional information and complete written instructions for tasks depicted in this video, visit www.JELD-WEN.com, or if you have questions, call us at 1-800-JELD-WEN.